What's your shirt say? Zombie Tactical Response Team. Show me the back. Look here. You are a biohazard. What's going off right now? Show them what you got in your pocket. Alright, show them what you got in your other pocket. What are you going to comb with that? You ain't got no hair. Alright, show them what you got in the other pocket. Alright. You been enjoying yourself?
Yes, I have.
So we got up here, we're still here. Been trying to do some videos, but everybody's been getting in the damn way. But this is McLean Gun Nut at Knob Creek at the machine gun shoot. And this is Garrett. Me and him got matching t-shirts. Just to show you, I am wearing my Army Channel shirt. But this is McLean Gun Nut out.